Let's say you're a student just starting out with algebra and you want to walk through some problems. So your formula and your prompt is $GPT_table, parentheses, quotation mark, 5 algebra problems where you solve for x, show steps for each problem, period, quotation mark, parentheses. Press enter. And let me take a quick moment here and do some text wrapping. And this looks pretty good. You've got the problem in the left column. On the right column, you've got the steps for solving the problem. It's got a bunch of slash marks that I don't really need. Let's see if I can get rid of those. So I just added remove slash marks to the prompt. Press enter. So that got rid of the slash marks. Let's see, what else can we do? Let's specify a more specific kind of problem. So I'm going to double click in the formula row and I'll type something else. So I changed the beginning part of the prompt to say 5 algebra problems where you solve for x when x is part of a fraction. Press enter. So it made x part of a fraction in all the problems, but for some reason it's using the word frac, and those slash marks are back. So let's see if I can get rid of that. So I added don't use the term frac. Press enter. So now the problems no longer contain the backward slash marks. We got rid of the word frac. And now all of the problems have x in a fraction. And the nice thing about this is that GPT table is creating the problems. So it's not like a student can go into their algebra textbook and just copy problems and have GPT table solve the problems for them. It just gives the student an example of how to solve a certain type of algebra problem.